rice reviews for kids. I know it's a little hard to hear me, but if I'm gonna talk in this video, I'm gonna talk super quiet. And I suggest you guys stay super quiet because this creek is super relaxing. Let's go. Listen to the nature. The water is really clear. You can hear it real well. Guys, I need to tell you something. As we start getting farther to the end, you'll keep hearing it, and it'll sound even better. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love nature. Thank you for watching.